I'm a health coach and I talk a lot about food and nutrition. I'm not a great cook or anything. I know how to make 2 or 3 things. And I do rely on frozen food. Recently, I was telling someone the story of how I lost 25 pounds, and I'm not going to tell that story right now. But I want to tell you that one of the key things I did in helping me to lose weight was I found food to eat that I really, really love. I have a love affair with Indian food. Now, I spent 10 years in India. I was working in various regions of India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, and North and South India. My job, really, my hobby, was to find the best biryani restaurant in every city I visited. And there was a really easy way to figure that out. In India, the public transportation, there's a lot of motorized rickshaws. They're 3-wheelers. They have a seat for 2 or 3 people in the back, and there's a driver with handlebars up front. It's motorized, and those guys know where the real biryani is being made. Biryani is a Muslim dish. It originated from the Aga Khan Empire, and it's really become the wedding food of Muslim people in India. You can cook for 500 people. You can cook biryani for 500 people in these humongous pots. It's just delicious. All right, rolling. Spices, for me, have real emotion because my memories of India, attending those weddings, meeting the people, riding the country buses from city to city, riding on the trains. A spicy chai latte, a milk tea with the masala chai, the mixture of spices they put in the tea. It's just wonderful. But I just wanted to bring this point to reference that if you are trying to lose weight, and I'll tell that story another time, it's really easy if you find foods that you love that you can, certainly you need to look at the intake, how much food you're eating. Americans, by and large, we eat 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 calories. It's not hard to do that if you go out to eat. You have a fast food lunch and then you go out to dinner at night. It's almost impossible to keep track of how many calories you're really consuming. But if you take control of what you're eating and you use a few strategies like intermittent fasting, which we'll talk about in another video, it's amazing what can be done eating the food that you love, being satiated, and not having to overeat. So eating the right things, it's really important. What I want you to do is to really live your purpose. I would like you to age gracefully and be as healthy and as happy as you can. If you found the content useful, please like the video, subscribe, and click the little bell for notifications. Please use the comments section below to ask any questions or leave any comments. We're happy to help